Hey everyone, welcome to the Default Life Food. Let's prepare a yummy pasta today. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. It's absolutely free. To make the pasta, heat some water in a thick bottom pan. Add some salt and vegetable oil. Mix it. Now the water is hot. It's time to drop the pasta. Here I have some penne pasta. And give it a quick mix. While the pasta is getting cooked, let's prepare our sauce. For the sauce, heat up a pan, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To this hot oil, now add some chopped garlic and onion. Here I am using 4 cloves of garlic and a medium-sized onion diced. Fry them. When the onions are translucent, it's time to add the tomatoes. Here I have 2 large tomatoes diced in cubes. Saute them in high heat. Now do not decrease the amount of tomatoes since tomatoes are the base of the sauce. You can definitely increase the amount of tomatoes if you like more sour taste to it. Now the tomatoes are half done. At this stage, add some chopped carrots. Fry them with the tomatoes. When the tomatoes are soft, mash them with the spatula. And cover it with the lid. Let's cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. After a few minutes, open the lid and stir it. Keep mashing the tomatoes and add some boiled corn and diced capsicum. Make sure you add them at the end of the sauce preparation because capsicum doesn't take much time to cook and the corns are already boiled. And cover it again, only for a few minutes. Keep checking the pasta. To this now add some spices. I have salt, sugar, some oregano, crushed black pepper, a red chili and a green chili chopped. Add the sugar guys. It is to balance out the sourness of the tomatoes and not to make the dish sweet. It is not going to taste sweet anyhow. Fry the spices. And keep mashing the tomatoes if you find any lumps here and there. Now the sauce is looking a bit dry. To make it more creamy, I will add some pasta water to it. And mix it. Let's drain the pasta and add it in. Now mix it very gently. Be careful not to break the pasta. Add a big dollop of ketchup. Here I'm using Kisan ketchup. You can use any tomato sauce or ketchup you have. Mix it very gently. Now it's time to add the cheese. Here I'm using processed cheese. I'm using only 1 cube of processed cheese. You can definitely increase the amount. Mix it well. Turn the flame to high. Mix till the cheese melts. And once the cheese melts, your pasta is ready. And your pasta is ready. Serve it in a plate. Make yourself a hot cup of cocoa or coffee and enjoy your food.